these are our main objective. We take 3 points. So the first one is to acquire knowledge and learn about analytical chemistry, and second is aim to publish how analytical chemistry impact our daily life, and last one is seek advice on how analytical chemistry can be applied to everyday situation.
What is analytical chemistry? Analytical chemistry studies and uses instrument and method to separate, identify, and quantify matter. In practice, separation, identification, or quantification may constitute the entire analysis or be combined with another method. Separation is solid analysis. Qualitative analysis identify analysis, while quantitative analysis determine the numerical amount or concentration. For example, the chemical analysis of a blood sample involves the determination of its ion content, its alcohol content, or perhaps its drug content, and how much each of the composition present in the blood sample.
Next, I will talk about discipline of analytical chemistry. The discipline of analytical chemistry have two, which are qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis is an analysis to identify the constituents such as elements, atoms, ions and compounds present in a sample. Quantitative analysis is an analysis to determine the relative amounts of the constituents present in a sample. Theories in analytical chemistry. Theories in analytical chemistry provide a conceptual framework for understanding the principles and techniques used in the field. These are some key theories in analytical chemistry. First, we have equilibrium theory. This theory is fundamental to understanding the behavior of chemical systems at equilibrium. It is often applied to reactions involving analytes and reagents. Next is calibration theory. Calibration theory involves establishing a relationship between instrument response and analyte concentration. Then, instrumental theory. This theory encompasses the principles behind the design and operation of analytical instruments. It includes topics such as spectroscopy, chromatography, electrochemistry, and mass spectrometry. Statistical theory. Statistical methods are essential in analytical chemistry for data analysis, error estimation, and the interpretation of results. Finally, the electrochemical theory. The electrochemical theory explains the relationship between electrical properties and chemical process, allowing for the determination of analyte concentration. Method of analytical chemistry. To estimate the concentration of an analyte may require both measurement of the mass or volume of the sample and some physical quantity that is related to the concentration of the element or compound. For your information, analyte is a chemical substances in a sample that are being identified. This quantity can be classified as gravimetric, volumetric, electroanalytical, spectroscopic, and miscellaneous. Here are steps in analytical chemistry. First, define the problem. What needs to be found? Should we use qualitative or quantitative analysis, or both analysis to solve the problem? Next, selecting the method. Then, obtain a representative sample, such as sample type and sample size. After that, prepare the sample for analysis to know whether the sample is solid, liquid, or gas. Then, eliminate the interferences by using distillation, precipitation, and solvent extraction. Perform the measurements through calibration, validation, and replicates. Finally, calculate the result and report the data to know the statistical analysis, which is accurate and reliable.
Like possible exam, it helps ensure the safety and quality of the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. Analytical chemistry is also used in healthcare environmental monitoring, food and beverage industry, and forensic science. In addition, it plays a crucial role in the development and quality control of consumer products such as cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. Overall, Analytical chemistry helps us understand the composition of substance and their effect on our health and the environment.
So here are some analytical chemistry that we use every day in our daily life. First is healthcare, and second, environmental monitoring. Next, food and beverage industry, and the last one is forensic science. Healthcare, we have two related with healthcare here, which is medical diagnostic and pharmaceuticals. For medical diagnostic, analytical techniques are crucial for medical diagnosis, such as blood tests, urinalysis, and also imaging. They help identify disease, monitor health conditions, and guide treatment plans. For pharmaceutical anyways, analytical chemistry ensure the quality and safety of pharmaceutical product by analyzing their composition and detecting impurities. And next we have environmental monitoring, such as air and water quality and food safety. Air and water quality is analytical methods are used to monitor pollution in the air and water, ensuring the environmental standards are met and public health is protected. While for food safety, analytical chemistry is employed to detect contaminants and ensure the safety and food products from pesticides and additives to microbial contaminants. Other than that, we have food and beverage industry, and the last one is forensic science. For third is food and beverage industry, we have quality control. Analytical chemistry is essential for quality control in the food and beverage industry, ensuring that products meet safety standards and regulatory requirements. For forensic science, is criminal investigation. Analytical techniques help forensic scientists analyze evidence such as blood, hair, and other materials to solve crime and provide evidence in legal proceedings.
For this section is recommendation, and we take 4 practical recommendation analytical chemistry that related to our daily life. For the first one is food level awareness. The second is personal care product understanding. Third one is medication awareness, and last educational apps and website. So this is my part. I want to elaborate my 4 main points in recommendation. For the first is food level awareness. People need to develop an awareness of food labels and nutritional information. Understand how analytical techniques contribute to determining the nutritional content and the percent of additive or contaminants in food products. And the second one is personal care product understanding. You need to learn to interpret the ingredients list on personal care products. Understand how analytical chemistry is involved in testing safety and efficacy of cosmetics, shampoo, and other beauty products. And I know that today teenagers want to look beautiful and handsome, want to have a good looking face so much, but so that they are willing to take the supplement, but that they can put themselves at risk. For the third one is medication awareness. Be aware of the medication you take and their potential side effects. Understand that analytical chemistry is crucial in pharmaceutical for quality control, ensuring the safety of medication. And the last part is educational apps and website. I know that I believe that right now a lot of people know how to use phone, how to use application, and know entry of website and others. So people need to explore educational apps and websites that provide information about analytical chemistry concept. This can enhance your understanding of how analytical methods are applied in various aspects of daily life right now.
In conclusion, as we navigate our daily life, the invisible world of analytical chemistry permeates various spaces, providing us with a safer product, reliable medical diagnosis, and a better understanding of the world around us. With ongoing research and advancement, analytical chemistry will continue to shape our future, contributing to improved health, sustainable practice, and a safer, more informed society.